Today we're installing a Trane Mitsubishi 16-seater heat pump, which will primarily be used for AC. So I'm going to make a little video to show a little bit of the process and then some sound clips at the end to show you how quiet these units are. The line set's going to be encapsulated in some slim duct. And up there you can see where we've made our hole for the evaporator head unit, and we'll go upstairs and take a look up there. Here's the interior, the evaporator. Just temporarily mounted right now. I still have to remove this entire case in order to set it up, do all the wiring. Usually I remove the entire cover, then do the wiring, and then we'll shove it back in there and permanently mount it. But fits pretty nicely over the top of this window. This is a pretty small space that we're cooling here with 9,000 BTUs, so it's going to be very cold up here. Okay, so right now we're just doing our pressure test. Just finished getting all the line set installed and all the flare fittings made. So the electrical and the drain is all inside the slim duct enclosure, and then we'll be snapping the cover over the top of all of that to hide everything. And so now we just have to evacuate and finish the electrical. Here's the upstairs head unit, the evaporator and the blower. This is it right after I finished up the electrical and remounted the unit. So usually I like to do that with all the plastics removed. Makes it a lot easier to do the wiring, and then I'll snap all the plastics back on the unit, and then we'll continue along the process. Okay, so just finished the install up here. We're test running the unit in AC mode. So had it running up in this small bedroom for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Already really bringing the temperature down up here. And our air temp coming off the evaporator, and at about 52 degrees. So we got about 52 degree air flying out of this unit on the absolute highest blower setting right now, and that is still extremely quiet. So I'm going to kick it over to heat pump mode, and we will see what kind of temperatures we're getting in the heating mode. So we'll go to mode, and we will put it in heating mode and turn it way up. And let it run, and we'll see what kind of air temps we're getting off of that evaporator. Okay, so been running for about 10 minutes here in heat pump mode. It's about 70 degrees outside today, so it's not really ideal conditions, but we'll see what kind of air temp we're getting off this evaporator. About 123 degrees. So it's a powerful little heater, and I'll go ahead and flip it back to cool mode so that I don't bake this room up here. And then I'll just go outside and we'll show you some sound clips of what the outside units sound like and just how quiet they are. And then we'll pack up and we'll be pretty much finished here today. Okay, outside at the condenser here, this unit is running in cooling mode, and can barely hear it. They're doing some construction across the street here, so hear a lot of tractors and stuff, but these are extremely quiet little heat pumps. And so all the refrigeration lines go all the way up to the head unit, and they're all encapsulated in that enclosure, which keeps them out of the weather. And so overall, I think it came out pretty good.